Experiencing data or Wi-Fi problems on your T-Mobile phone? Here's how to pinpoint the cause. First, check your signal strength in dBm via your phone settings. A weak signal often indicates network issues. For Wi-Fi, ensure your router is on T-Mobile's approved list and that there are no SSID conflicts. Rule out simple causes. Restart your phone, toggle airplane mode, and check your T-Mobile account status for any billing issues that might be throttling your data. T-Mobile's network uses LTE and 5G bands, so ensure your device supports them. Note that intermittent data and Wi-Fi issues are still reported due to network congestion, especially in urban areas. Start by resetting your network settings. Go to Settings, General, Reset, then Reset Network Settings. This clears Wi-Fi, cellular, and VPN configurations without affecting your data. Next, update your carrier settings. Dial *466 on Android or check for updates in iOS settings. This ensures your device uses the latest T-Mobile configurations. For Wi-Fi issues, forget the network and reconnect. In Settings, tap the network name, select Forget this network, then rejoin by entering the password. If issues persist, use T-Mobile's Coverage Map app to find stronger signal areas. The app shows real-time network strength to help you relocate. For persistent issues, perform a factory reset. Back up your data first, then reset in Settings. This restores your device to default, but erase all personal data. T-Mobile offers AI-assisted tools in the app for predictive issue resolution, reducing fix times. The company invested over $500 million in cybersecurity and upgrades, improving experience, but third-party dependencies remain a risk. If all else fails, contact T-Mobile support via the app or call 611 for personalized help.